Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have just come onto my channel or stumbled onto my channel by accident, well, welcome and thanks for stopping by. And for those of you that have already followed and subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your continued support. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So we are now into day 16 of my 3K in 31 days challenge, and in this video I thought I'd give you a quick update of where I am and what I'm thinking and all that sort of stuff. So for those of you that have been following me, you may have saw a couple of videos back that I was working on a project, and I said that there was something that I was really interested in doing, but haven't quite decided whether I was gonna go for it or not. So with a lot of thinking, a lot of deliberation, and a lot of oohing and ahhing, I have decided that I am definitely going to work on it, and that project is FBA and private branding. Now, for those of you that don't know what FBA is, it basically means just buying and selling goods on Amazon, and what FBA stands for is basically fulfilled by Amazon. So what that means is that you will basically supply the goods, you will send it over to Amazon, and then when someone wants to buy it, Amazon will then package it and fulfill that order. So this is something that I've been looking into for a number of months now, way before I launched this channel and way before I set myself this challenge. But I thought, something, I've always wanted to look into it, and instead of just looking at it from the sidelines and thinking, is this something that could potentially work? Why don't you just go for it? And I have basically decided to take that plunge and go for it. I'm going to start that journey, and I will also make sure that every step of the way I will document that on this channel. So for those of you that are interested in FBA and want to know what it's all about, make sure you follow me on this channel, because like I said, I'm going to be starting it from scratch. So yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that, of where I am. And like I said, if you do like the content I'm putting out there, then make sure you hit that like button. And if you've got any ideas or opinions, I would be interested in hearing what those are. So make sure you leave a comment down below as well. And for those of you that haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe channel and also hit that notifications button, that bell icon, so that every time I put out a video, you will be the first to be notified as and when it happens. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you continue having an awesome day, and I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care.